Welcome back, winners. On this episode of Winning at Disneyland, we are in what appears to be a very busy park today. It is a Wednesday afternoon after the Christmas season has opened. There are no reservations available in the park today at all. And we're going to get a little vibe check on Main Street. It was busy. The lot where I normally park was full, so I had to motor on around to the Toy Story parking lot. It took about 30 minutes to actually get into the park. Security was wide open. The line 3 or 4 deep, but I had to wait on about 4 buses at Toy Story. But yeah, bustling. We'll get a little Main Street vibe check. Goals for today. I've only got maybe 4.5, 5 hours in the park today. Goal will be 10 attractions, 5 of which have to be Lightning Lane. And we've got to do that in 4.5, 5 hours flat in a busy, busy park. Good luck. Here we go, the vibe check. Bustling. I mean, bustling all around. Look at this. In the shoulder season too. Well, no, technically we're in Christmas season now for sure, as evidenced by the giant tree. But holy camole, this feels like a Saturday afternoon. It has been raining here for the last 5 days, raining hard. Fireworks canceled, parades canceled, the whole 9 yards. So this is an absolutely gorgeous 70 degrees, blue sky, light breeze, absolutely wonderful. And I think it has brought people out en masse. Decisions. You know there's no decision. Going Adventureland. As to be expected from that vibe on Main Street. Whew. Indy is bumping, posted 65. We're gonna backdoor that single rider. 9 minutes to the Jeep. I think that ties my record. Tamara's record, I think, is 8 minutes. But that tied my record to the Jeep. I'll take it. And they are still jamming. I'm really surprised that's not been a call to no action. But it's just busy today. Big Thunder's posted 40. Since this was only 15 minutes round trip, I'll go get that. That'll be 2 Lightning Lanes in less than an hour. And I'm gonna put eyes on Pirates as I walk by. It was closed when I walked by just to put an eye on it. But that can change quickly. There are blasts of air hitting me on the top of the head when I come through. All right, well on our way, surprisingly. That is 2 big tickets, less than an hour. We're gonna go single rider the Falcon and see if we can't pad our odds on the Lightning Lanes. And then maybe we go through Fantasyland, knock out a couple of there, but whew, man, I don't know. 10 might be a wee bit ambitious today. All right, that's 3 Lightning Lanes down in an hour. We could pull this off. Oga's is steady, not bad. It's maybe a 20-minute wait there. I forgot to tell you, single ridered. I got to be a pilot 4 minutes, and I got to pilot with this cute little family, like 4 little kids and a mom. It was fun. We only got 1 train, but it was still fun. They had a good time. As expected, Adventureland is freaking nuts. Although Mad Tea Parties, maybe 2 rotations, 10, 12 minutes. I'm gonna go do single rider on the Matterhorn. Oh yeah, 4 Lightning Lanes, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Matterhorn was 2 minutes single rider. That was definitely some parade effect. There was, I think the wait for the Matterhorn was like 15 minutes, but single rider, 2 minutes. Gonna go try Space Mountain single rider. And I think even if it's 2.5 lanes deep, I'm hopping in that sucker. Posted 50 minutes. This should be less than half that. Lightning Lane number 5 in less than 2 hours. 2 hours flat. So that clears the Lightning Lanes. Now we're gonna try to squeeze in 5 more in about 2.5, maybe 3 hours. I need to be really on the road by 7, and I had to park in the Toy Story lot, so I'm gonna have to bus over. So that's gonna be tight.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Off to Neverland!
There it is, Wendy. Second start on the right and straight on forward.
And holy crap, it's jamming. Wowzer. I think I'm gonna pop over to DCA and see if we can squeeze 4 rides in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. That's gonna be tough. Dawn's on me, I haven't eaten anything all day long. It's 4 o'clock, just after 4. 5 rides, 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm calling that a win so far. 6 rides. 6 rides, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 of which were Lightning Lane. That's a win so far, but goals are goals, right? And I see maybe some birria tacos in my future. Monorail. Gotcha. And if you know what time it is. Golden hour park hopping. Entrance lines, 4:15, pretty light. But the Esplanade is jumping. Let's see what DCA is like. Buena Vista vibe check. Hopping. Moving. But hopping. Christmas Mini. Lovely as always. Go! Live music. Yeehaw. I'm gonna go around this way. Let's put some eyes on the Guardians, Mickey's, Grizzly, Maters at 25. Jumping Jellyfish, Grizzly River, 5 minutes. Oh, it's getting cold though. Do I want to do that? I have my poncho, but I didn't bring a jacket, just an extra shirt. I don't know. I think I want to get something to eat, but I'm gonna go put eyes on the single rider at Incredicoaster Coaster. Jumping Jellyfish was at 15. I can squeeze that one in. Yeah, I can see from here that line over there is not winnable. That is gonna be 5, 10, 15, 25, 35 minutes minimum. So this may be the rare case where I don't make my goal. Got a 25-minute arrival window for food, so I'm gonna go over and try to hop on the Jellyfish just to squeeze one more in. And jellies it is. Oh God. What a sky. Woo, Goofy's School of Death and Dismemberment. Yikes. Look at that sunset. Wow, what a shot. That's a pretty neat capture. Look at that perfect shot through there. Nice. Ah. Boom. Haha. Yay. That makes 7. I don't believe there's any chance I can squeeze in 3 more, but 8's my minimum, generally speaking, in the park. So I am going to grab a snack and then hit Maters on the way out, rain or shine, as it were. Still vibing. This ought to be a perfect little snack. Yum. And I got a little side of salsa or something. I don't know. But I'm hungry. Yeah, these are great. I know you've seen me have these before, but check out this little burnt crispy edge of cheese on that one. Yum. And the little hot sauce got a kick to it. That's fantastic. The consomme is delicious. It's hot and fresh. So yeah, big fan. Night DCA vibes. Lots of tables open. It's impressive, actually. I was even able to find a place to sit for my birria tacos, which were delicious. I've heard complaints from folks that, oh, they're not authentic. They're authentically dang tasty. More Christmas vibes. More flocks of people. I see my opening. Woo, Mater's looks thick. Holy crap. Posted 20. Using all the switchbacks, but they're not 100% full. Yeah, like we're walking all the way down to the end, but that's going to be a solid 20 all day long. Here we go with some silliness. I'm going to get off this ride about 5:45. And right now, Google Maps is showing me almost 2 hours home. So I'm going to go put eyes on the single rider at Radiator Springs and see if that'll work for us. Here we go. Oh. Whee! This is the silliest damn ride, and I love it. Oh, yeah! Oh. I don't have mama to break my fall. Fun. Well, Radiator Springs is posted 75. Single rider is well outside of the finish line bridge. And there's a steady stream of lightning lane that just went in. I don't think I've got time to do this. I don't think I can do it, not with being home extraordinarily late. So that's probably going to do it. There's a good look at the tip board. Radiator Springs and Critter Coaster, 90 minutes, come on. Ooh, soaring around the world single rider. That's it. That's where we're going for ride number 9. Yeah, this is gonna be the ticket. There are 3 people in front of me for single rider. All right, that was about 20 minutes for Soarin', longer than I thought it was gonna take. But because I've got about 20 minutes to kill, and it's a freaking 5-minute walk on, I'm gonna do it. I got a dry shirt in the bag, so I've got my poncho, but if I get soaked, then I just have to walk to the Jeep and drive home. This camera is not waterproof, so it will be going deep into the bag until I am done. Alrighty, winners, with 7 minutes to spare, Grizzly River Run for the win. 10 rides, less than 5 hours. I'm gonna do 7 lightning lane runs. Win, big freaking win today, and I'm not soaked by any means whatsoever. Yeah, so big win, hooray for the big Disney winner. Alrighty, guys, pretty much unscathed on Grizzly. My left butt cheek's a little wet. My left shoe is pretty much soaked, but I've got really good wool socks on. But holy cow, man, I was worried there towards later in the afternoon. I really didn't think we were going to be able to pull it off, but the Disney winner pulls out the W. We got really lucky and missed the geysers, but heck yeah, I will take that. 10 rides, 7 lightning lanes. I think it's 7 lightning lanes. That would have been a win all its own to do that in less than 5 hours. So super stoked, and we'll keep an eye out for the monorail on the walkout. But other than that, what a day. What an absolute, yeah, man, I'm so glad that came together there at the end. Freaking stoked. So unless I see that lovely monorail come through, we will see you winners later. Epilogue. They're still partying. Yes, no freaking way. Look at that monorail. So much absolute winning the end of this episode. This might be the winningest end to a single episode yet. Freaking wow. What a day at Disneyland. See you, winners.